Choop, 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 choop. Four-ween chrome axle. This did not look like this about 2 hours ago, but I didn't film it. So I'm gonna put some still images up to show you what this did look like and explain what it, well, explain some shit. So this is what the hide looked like. This is called bloom. Don't panic, it's not a big deal. I'm not gonna get all into chemistry like Breaking Bad, but it's basically the fats and liquors that are in the tanning process and the leather coming out over time. And all you need to do is just get a horsehair brush like this and just brush it. It'll come right off. And this is Chloe, by the way, killing a monkey. Oh, did I even mention what we're doing? We're gonna make a Wahlberg wallet. Something like this. Let's do it. And here's our pattern. Middle, back, pockets. But first, you know the drill. We gotta have something to drink, right? Fresh brewed coffee, some other juice. White mud. I'm going to use the clicker dies to cut these out, but if you don't have a clicker die or a press, if you have some arc jigs like this, you could just do them all by yourself. Just go choop, 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 and then choop, 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 like that. And I'm going to put a link to all the tools that I talk about down in the description. So instead of me, every single time I show you a new tool, having to say, link in the description. If you see anything, just go down to the description. Let's get these cut out. Now these two pieces are identical in size. The only difference is this. And I'll show you how to do that easy. So let me make two of these and let me show you an easy way. First of all, let's get a straight edge. Take your bump jig, set it there. You already have your pattern, set it there. So now we have the height, and you know you need two, so let's do two. So those two heights are identical. Now we need width. So just grab one, doesn't matter which one. See what I'm doing here? Now that is identical to that, and we need two of them. So get one more right angle. Bam, perfect, identical. Next, let's do this. Need to get this curve in this back pouch, and it looks like it might be intimidating, but it's not when you have the bump jigs and the arc jigs. That's all you need. So let's do it. camera keeps moving. Just follow that jig. For these little points here, you can freehand cut that curve, or you can take an arc jig. Do that. It makes a difference. You need to get this Horween stamp in the middle of this. And here's a little easy trick for you. There's the stamp. We measure this and it looks to be 8.5. With the ruler, or the centering ruler, get this little line right here. Put that on 8.5. 8.5 here, 8.5 here on the middle line. Measure over here. So now you know that this line is down the middle. Center your stamp with this line. Next up, let's get these edges pretty. And there you go. Yes, it takes a while, but it's worth it. It makes a difference. Next, we need to put these pieces on here, but we need to rough up for the glue, like that. We need to figure out where it goes with the bump jigs. Pretty easy, just bump it there, put your piece there, mark it. Like this. Do all 4 pieces and then do the back of the pockets. And then we'll be ready for glue. And this is what it's going to look like when you're ready. Roughed, roughed, and your corners roughed. That's barge cement. Since you have to wait for the barge to dry to tacky, I always do all these pieces together. They can just dry together and then put together. Do that to those. Like this. You need to clip off these corners, and I'm going to give you 2 different ways to do it. If you have an arc punch, we're going to do it that way. If you don't have an arc punch, since we've got this little curve we can follow, I'm going to show you another way. Hold on. Arc punch first. If you don't have an arc punch, just make a whole bunch of tiny little clips. Just follow that curve. How easy is that? Pretty easy. Next we need a stitch line so that we can punch our holes. For now, you can use a compass. We've actually got a new tool coming, and pre-sales are available now. Yes, I'm going to say it again, link in the description, but pre-sales are open right now for the new 3-piece set of stitch line markers, and we're calling them the Stitchy Widgets, so you'll see it down in the description. This is exactly what they'll do, but you won't need to adjust them and always be worried about whether they're off or not. They'll be set forever. This is 5-ounce leather, and we were looking at 3 layers. So usually 3 to 4 layers of 5-ounce leather. I'll go around 4 times for the thread if you want to know the length. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is how much thread is left from the 4 times around. Did pretty good. Got a little secret under here. What y'all thought I was doing the whole time, making a wallet? Hold on. I was making 2 wallets. But they're done.